Yes, look at here. So you stopped what you were just doing. What were you doing?
I was trying to mess my pants up in private. I didn't need no pictures taken. Now you need smell-o-vision so they can smell it. That's your mommy.
You safety? What are you doing?
Ooh, that's a big one. I felt that one.
Maybe that's gas.
Ooh, see how red he turned?
Are you turning red?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no facial expression at all. Play. Are you okay? Still pushing? Why it took you so long? Huh? Why does it take you so long?
She want to take my picture while I'm trying to fool. Well, you going to sleep with the stinky diaper on? Don't go to sleep with the stinky diaper on.
So you finished already? You finished?
Stinky.
Hey, come on, look at here.
It's stinky.
Look at your mama. Here.
Yeah, you stink. Yeah. You want your diaper off now? Huh? You finished? Are you all done? All done? Okay. Oh my goodness.
He's uncomfortable. Take it off. Take it off.
Take the diaper off of me. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off. Oh my goodness. They said get it off me. Get it off me. Oh my goodness. It stinks. Get it off me. Get it off me. Please, mommy, get it off. Get it off. Get it off.
You sure you finished? You sure you finished? Okay. You sure? Too full. You don't like it. You don't like the feeling, right? Okay.